Today is one of the days when my hair is looking like a broomstick. It feels dry, rough. Let me try and comb it. Wow, I can't even move my comb. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's treat it with Ombra Plex. Let's do the step one. I've shampooed my hair with the prep shampoo and my hair looks like this right now. I have towel dried it and I'm gonna try and comb it. Okay, thankfully my tail comb is moving quite easily, which is a good thing. And I'm able to comb it pretty well and it's moving very easily. So thankfully my hair is detangled quite well. I see some hair fall, but it's fine. Little bit is okay. Now I'm gonna apply the treatment product, which looks like this. It's the red color bottle and it's mentioned that it is good for bleached hair as well as colored hair. So I have colored hair as well as chemically treated hair. My hair is damp right now and I'm going to quickly apply it everywhere, even on my hair, scalp, specifically to the ends of my hair because that's where it's really rough. And I will be using a tail comb to make sure that it's spread out quite well to the entire length. Since my hair is quite dry, so I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes. So I've rinsed my hair, I've taken quick bath and I need to go out. So I'm going to quickly do the step 3, which is the leave-on mask. Now this one is going to seal my cuticles and it's going to stay as it is. I don't have to wash it off. Let's take a very small portion, almost coin sized, and I will apply it all over my hair except the scalp part, because if I put it on my scalp, my hair will actually become clogged and I'm going to have oily hair. So I will just focus on the hair part. And now it's time to dry my hair. So since I have to go out, I don't want to put any kind of heat, so I'm just blast drying it. There is no heat. Okay, so after blast drying, my hair looks like this. There is a lot of shine, which I love, definitely, and I'm able to comb it quite well. Wow, so Ombra Plex treatment for damaged hair really works. I had dry, rough hair, but finally it looks like this.